Hello everyone, today we will explore the legacy of the brilliant biochemist Dr. Carey Banks Mullis. Carey B. Mullis was an American biochemist born on December 18, 1944 in Lenoir, North Carolina. Mullis grew up in Columbia, South Carolina and received his high school diploma from Jarrett High School in 1962. Realizing his interest in chemistry, he pursued post-secondary education to earn a Bachelor of Science at Georgia Institute of Technology in 1966, and then he further pursued PhD in biochemistry under J.B. Nealons at University of California in Berkeley. In 1973, he became a postdoctoral fellow in pediatric cardiology at the University of Kansas Medical School. Greedy for knowledge, he pursued a postdoctoral fellowship in pharmaceutical chemistry in 1977 at the University of California, San Francisco. In the year 1983, Mullis invented the technique that has revolutionized the field of molecular biology, polymerase chain reaction technique. Unfortunately, Carey Mullis suffered from complications of pneumonia and passed away on August 7, 2019 at the age of 74. His reputation and fame are thanks to his significant contribution to the invention of PCR technique and revolutionizing the age of molecular biology. PCR is common due to its simplicity since you only need 5 components. They are a thermostable DNA polymerase such as Taq DNA polymerase, DNTPs, DNA template, DNA primers, and buffers containing magnesium for pH maintenance and successful reaction. Adding on to the simplicity of PCR consists of 3 steps that are differentiated by the temperatures. 3 steps are denaturation, annealing, and extension that make up one cycle of the PCR. The PCR cycle is repeated 24 to 30 times and exponentially amplifies the target gene. The newly formed DNA is used like template DNA in the next cycle. PCR can be simplified by the equation n equals 2 to the power of t times n naught. The value of PCR is illuminated when one realizes the importance of DNA testing in medicine, genetics, biotechnology, and forensics. These fields are a few of the many examples that utilize PCR as a fundamental technique in their labs. They are the Human Genome Project, conducted from 1990 to 2003, and the diagnostic PCR testing of COVID-19, the most recent global pandemic. The Human Genome Project, which is the sequencing of the entire human genome, lasted 13 years, and the discovery of PCR became crucial for the project's success. In the recent COVID-19 pandemic, PCR testing was utilized to amplify strains of coronavirus from the swab samples to detect the presence of COVID-19. Though he may not be present among us anymore, his legacy continues as PCR's widespread use in genetics, medicine, and forensics shape scientific progress. From a rural setting to the Nobel Prize receiver, his accomplishments speak for his brilliance. Here is a short tribute to some of Dr. Mullis' achievements throughout his career. He received the prestigious Nobel Prize in Chemistry along with Michael Smith in 1993, a decade after the invention of PCR. The same year, Dr. Mullis was awarded the Japan Prize, one of the most prestigious international science awards. Mullis' contributions to the field are well deserving of every award and recognition that he has received. I have covered only a few of them. Thank you so much for listening to me.